Hello friends and welcome to my channel Homeopathy World. This video is a part of my veterinary series in homeopathic treatment by Dr. Samina. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get notification on our latest updates. Do comment on our videos if you like them. So let's get started with our video. Our video today is about veterinary homeopathy, that is homeopathic treatment in animals. So whether you're a pet owner or a beginner at homeopathic practice or maybe a well-qualified homeopath looking to learn more about veterinary homeopathy and wondering which book you should refer for a detailed study, don't worry, we have a solution. There are plenty of books to go through, but these are the best and my personal favorites. In this video, we are going to discuss about the important books for veterinary homeopathy, the 5 best books on homeopathic treatment in animals. So, our first book or books are from a very renowned author, Dr. B.P. Madrevar. His books: Scientific Clinical Research on Veterinary Homeopathy, Therapeutics of Veterinary Homeopathy, Metramedica Nosodes and Repertory of Veterinary Homeopathy. Therapeutics of Veterinary Homeopathic and Repertory are very famous. He has done an exclusive research on veterinary diseases and homeopathic treatment. His books are a result of years of experience and research which prove effective in the homeopathic system of medicine on animals. It is very helpful for homeopathic doctors and farm owners. Our second book is Practical Handbook of Veterinary Homeopathy by D.V.M. Wendy Jensen. It covers all the chronic and recurring illnesses in animals and contains success stories of various homeopaths in treating their veterinary patients. Our third book is The Pocket Manual of Homeopathy Veterinary Medicine by Edward Ruddock. It consists of symptom, causes and treatment of diseases in horses, cattle, sheep, swine, dogs and their general management. Our fourth book is Homeopathic Care for Dogs and Cats by Don Hamilton. All the criteria essential for the treatment in veterinary homeopathy are listed in this book. Our fifth book is Forget the Vet: Homeopathic Remedies for Dogs and Cats. It focuses on health benefits of practicing natural remedies and cooking with natural recipes. Penny Cartwright, the author, has mentioned many natural cures of ailments apart from homeopathy. Now the question arises, where to find these veterinary homeopathy books? You can read these books at googlebooks.com or comment under the video the name and author of the book and I will post that book as soon as possible. In this series, we are going to discuss about the veterinary treatment of different species of animals in various conditions, that is, veterinary homeopathy in detail. So stay tuned to our channel. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for notification on our latest videos. You can follow us on Instagram at Homeoclinic. Thank you.